Now we will deal with the next feature, the wrap. The wrap is for adding some extra detail or decoration for your part. We have this box. Let's start to make a sketch. You see the work of the wrap. So let's draw a slot in that. Okay, when you are done, exit your. So we have a sketch parallel or in that surface. Let's activate the wrap. You have three different types. You have the emboss. It will be drafted or extruded outside, embossed inside, or just a sketch. So let's select the face where we're going to show the wrap. Should be parallel to the sketch. And now you have the thickness of the wrap. Make it 3. And okay, you will see here the wrap. If you edit that wrap, reverse direction, so it will not reverse because the type is emboss, or the emboss is always outside. So if you make it thick emboss, okay, you'll make it inside, and you will etch it inside. Now let's try to make like scribe to be only a strip on that surface.